Stay tuned. You do not want to miss this video. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, okay? So let's get started. Welcome everybody to the channel today. I'll be talking about the IRS PATH Act lifted, taxpayers with credits receive due dates. I know a lot of you had questions on Tuesday when I posted this video. The PATH Act lifted, when will I get my tax return? A lot of you had a lot of questions and comments, and I answered some of them, not all of them, but I go back and look at them. Well, on last night, the PATH did lift for some of you. Now, you should see on the WMR that some did update. Not everybody updated, and not everybody received due dates. For those of you who didn't, don't get upset. Don't get worried. You will too, okay, you guys? So don't get upset about it. The due date that most people are seeing is on the 22nd of February, 2023. Okay? Again, for those of you who didn't receive updates, continue to check back and you will see. Also, don't forget to check your accounts, because sometimes what the IRS will do, instead of updating the WMR, you will see the money automatically in your accounts for those of you who did direct deposit. So don't be worried, you guys. At least it lifted last night at 11:59. I had questions. Most people thought that it was gonna lift right at 11:59 on the 15th that morning, but it did it actually last night. If some of you in the groups, I was looking at different groups on social media sites, on Facebook and different groups, a lot of them lifted change right at 11:59. So you will continue to see updates. Okay. For you guys who are worried, you can also go to irs.gov and check transcripts. I know a lot of you have already did that. And I'm going to be sharing my screen. Again, you guys, for those of you who want to go to irs.gov and get your transcript, I'm going to make sure I haven't put it in the description of this video or in the comments. I'm gonna try to put it in the comments in the description of this video for those of you who want to go and get your transcript and go to irs.gov and go to it. Okay, you can access your tax records in online account, and you should see it on the screen, you guys. And when you get there, it says you can view your tax records now in your online account. So you're gonna create an account, you guys. Create your own account. For those of you who don't know how to, again, we'll put a link. Once you create an account, you're going to sign in to your account, okay, you guys? And when you sign into your account, it will give you a record. And most people went ahead last night and they saw the February 22nd. Okay, so if you don't know how, I will make sure I'll put a link in the descriptions for you to be able to view the transcript of your data. Now, everybody will not have a date. Patiently wait until until you start receiving it. But a lot of people received their dates of the 22nd again last night, you guys. Okay, so it did lift. And even if the WMR didn't update, it is showing in your transcripts. That's why I'm telling you guys, you can go and create an online account to view your transcripts online, and then you will see tax return at the bottom of it. You should see a cycle, and then you should be able to see a date of where the tax return, and that will show you when it should be sent. Now, I told you guys the other year it was given out on the 22nd, but some started even seeing it in their accounts on the 16th. So check your accounts throughout the day, through the weekend, you guys. We know that President's Day is next Monday, so it could be possibility you don't know what the IRS might do, you guys. So check your accounts. And again, sometimes the WMR, where's my refund, does not update right away. Just continue to check back and be patient, and you should start seeing it. Okay, even if you still have the path on there. If you don't receive, if it doesn't update right away, and you start to see receive notifications from the IRS, then you know that it's a problem. If you don't receive anything in the mail from the IRS, do not be worried, you guys. Just patiently wait. It's a lot of people waiting on their refunds. Okay, you guys. Again, for those of you who haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you want to receive more updates. Okay, and also for those of you who haven't create an account for your transcript to be able to view online. I remember sometimes it be going down. A lot of people were checking right at 11:59 their transcript last night and it went down. So sometimes it be down, but be patient on irs.gov and it should come back up so you'll see a date. Okay, you guys, but I'm so glad, you guys, that it did lift last night. So you should start receive a refund or